Hello there, Bari here. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share a website that has over 17.7 million monthly visitors and they pay you for using them. And you don't need your own traffic. You don't need your own website. You don't need experience. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need skill. No freelancing required. All you need is to use their offers or whatever they ask you to do. And they pay you through Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, and PayPal. So how does it work? I will show you that in a moment, but that's not important. What's most important is how much money are you going to make? We will also reveal that. Not only that, we will also show you how they make money and how you can make $5,000 a day using this video in a similar system. Of course, I will share how the big guys who are making the big money make the big money using this website. Stay tuned till the end of the video. In a moment, we will go to the step-by-step process how to sign up on this website and how to use them. And then I will show you how you can make the big money. Also, this video comes with my premium software. Links will be in the description. That will help you make the big money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. This way you support our channel and you will get notified when we will upload our next video. The next video will come with unique and free ways to make money online. Our premium software is 100% free, and we will see you in the next video. Okay guys, we are on swagbucks.com and we are super excited for you because you're going to make money without traffic, without experience, without technical knowledge, and without selling. And you're going to get paid with the gift cards of Walmart, Amazon, and cash on PayPal. If you look at the sales page or the landing page, you see they are attracting visitors. The visitors who are ready to use their time to make some money, earn some points. It's like you can browse other websites, but you will not make money. If you use our website, you will not only have some fun and you will end up making some money. It is highly recommended to go at the footer section and check all the links and read all the articles and contents, because a lot of times the valuable informations are in these links, especially when it comes to how you're going to get paid, when you are going to get paid, whether you have any kind of ineligibility or not, whether your country is blocked by them or not. So I'll go through all these details before you actually start. It will save you a lot of hassle in the future. We're going to sign up using this form, join for free, and then we will agree to all. Then simply click on the start earning blue button and you're here ready to start earning. You can make money from this website using all these 5 different ways. So click on that, take me to the homepage section. By this time you should receive an email with the confirmation link. Click the link to confirm your email address. You'll instantly get 5 points. This is an important thing to learn, that they in the email also they mentioned the benefits, how much money they paid their users so far, etc. Now your account is 40% complete. To the remaining section to complete your account creation, plus you will earn points by doing everything. Everything you do on this website, when you complete, you will earn points. Be able to redeem those points using PayPal cash or Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card. Super cool. Now let's take a quick survey and earn 5 Swagbucks points. You know what? They shouldn't be called survey because they're so easy. All you need to do is to click, click, and click. So what's your gender? The options are given, male or female. I'll put my gender. What's your age? Oh, I'm sorry, I have to write 2 numbers to mention my age. And then where you born? Again, click, select, click. Then what's your age? Yeah, I have to write again. Again, what's your gender? Write it. What's the problem? It's just 1 click, right? Whatever you do here will earn you points. Answer the daily poll and you will earn points. Here is a daily poll. Are you sending out a holiday card this year? Oh, yes, or yes, I plan, or whatever your answer is, give the answer. Just earned 14 SB or Swagbucks point. I can redeem them from here. You can go to my rewards section to check your rewards or redeem swag code. This is the place where you can redeem your Swagbucks by buying Amazon gift cards or Payoneer or PayPal. Another way to make money from this website is refer and earn. I mean, from referral. In my opinion, this is one of the best way to make money online because you're referring others, and whatever they are making by using their time, you're going to get a commission for that. I am from affiliate marketing background. I know this is the easiest way to make money online. And all you need to do is simply copy your referral link and share with your friends and family. Everybody wants to make money. When they join and they do something, you will make money. So basically, referral or affiliate marketing is like making others to work for you while you make the money. This is how to make money using Swagbucks. It's very easy, very user-friendly, super simple, and you don't need your own website. You don't need your experience or technical knowledge or anything like that. Just use it and make money. Now the question is, how much money can you make using this system? To be honest, this system is not built for you to make thousands of dollars per day. The system is made for you to save your time from watching funny cat videos or useless times that we spend on social media and other things on the internet. Instead, use this website, get some points and earn some money. Of course, getting a gift card is not easy deal. Who gives anything for free? They are giving all this. But if you're really motivated, there is one way to make money because they are an established company. They will still pay you because they have a lot of money. So if you can refer people, which is kind of like affiliate marketing, they will spend their time on this website and you will be the one making commissions. This way you will make passive commissions, and passive commissions can always be scaled up because you are not the one spending time. You are saving time. You are allowing others to work while they work, you make commissions. The next stage of making money is at the bottom of this website. If you go at the bottom of this website, you'll see a section advertise with us. Why am I saying? Because you see, they have 17.7 million monthly visitors. What do they do with these visitors? All these visitors are basically using this website and shop using this website. So a lot of advertisers are advertising their products and services through this website. And this way, these advertisers can get customers at a cheaper price. So this is my advice to you. Number one, if you have seen at the beginning, these guys are asking you for your email address. Why? Because money is in the list. While they make a list of subscribers and users, they can communicate with them anytime they want. And as a user, whenever I get an email from them, I will look at the email. I will do what they ask me to do and spend some time and make some points or money. But they are the one making the biggest money from their advertisers or clients. And at the same time, of course, advertisers are making money from selling. But here is one more thing. Money is in the list. So they are making all that money from one simple thing that is asking for email address. First, they're asking for email address, then they're building relationship by giving away value and make money from their clients. They're not directly selling to us, the users, their service to their clients, the advertisers. So in case you really want to make the big bucks as an affiliate marketer, as a product seller, or an e-commerce owner, or even a blogger or a vlogger or anything at all, first thing you need to have is to have a subscription system on your website. Now, you may not have a website, don't worry, my link in the description, my software will give you. If you don't have an opt-in page for subscription system, don't worry, you don't have to build one, my software will give you. Don't have lead magnet, don't worry, my software will give you. What is my software? My software turns any PDF into an opt-in form, into lead magnet, into referral traffic driving system. So it's an all-in-one system. You just have to sign up 100% free and start using, build your list. 100% free, yeah, go do it. Now this is the first thing. This is how they make money and you can make money too. The next one I told you about advertising. Yes, when you start making money from whatever you are doing online using Swagbucks or any other system, there are so many other systems that I showed in other videos. Links will be in the description. Make money from them. Use some of the money to advertise on these websites like Swagbucks and sell your own products and services. If you don't have anything at all, run advertising traffic to your landing page or your opt-in page. Use my software and get all the traffic to your mailing list. Build relationship with them, become the authority, the most trustworthy person in front of them, and then sell whatever you want. This is how you make the actual big bucks, and it can be $5,000 a day or $10,000 a day. There's absolutely no limit of where you can go with it, but this is the system to make money online. But if you want to still continue with this website, using them, earn a few points, go ahead, no issues, and you still can make a lot of money by referring people, by asking people to work, and when they earn, you make commissions. But still remember, you must have a subscription system. My software will help you. You can use my software to drive traffic using YouTube. My software will help you drive traffic, build videos without being in front of the camera, and of course, set some money aside to run advertising traffic to your opt-in pages or your products or your content and build a bigger business. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. This way you get notified when we will upload our next video. Our next video will be awesome. It will come with another way to make money online, and it will also come with free software. Go get it. Go get all my softwares, like, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, and we will see you in the next video.